Hey guys, this is Laudiaann, your network marketer, here to help you grow your online business or any business that you are trying to promote. If you've been struggling online and you've been trying to get traffic to your business, I've got this awesome marketing tool. Here you see is a capture page of example page of a capture page of the product that I am promoting. And it's awesome, guys. It's called Lead Lightning. If you haven't heard of Lead Lightning, it is great. You get your own capture page. Everything is automated, and it goes to your primary business, whatever you're wanting to drive traffic to. Anyway, you fill in your name, you put your best email, then you'll get an instant access taken to a free video that reveals this new push button system, automated sales funnel. It'll explain to you what they can do for your business, and it's really great. And after you watch the video, you get that opportunity to pay that $7. So one-time fee. There's no other fee. Once you pay $7, it's your tool. Then once you get this tool, you get I'll explain it in another video. I'll show you how to use it. But this automated sales funnel, once you have it, you get a complete autoresponder with it. Now, it's a great funnel because you get all these messages all automated. And if you want to promote your other business, they also link it along with your autoresponder. So this actually, guys, helps build your list of people that are really interested in what you're offering. And you can do other offers of your other affiliate products that you may have. Any kind of opportunity that you want to reach out and touch people and drive traffic to. This is an awesome marketing tool. It is recommended to every marketer out there. Anyone that wants to start their own business with this, they can. Also, you get the opportunity to make money and make residual money with this marketing tool. It's a great tool, and there's many marketers out there have already joined. They even upgraded. After the $7, you know, you can upgrade and become a customer where you can customize your own capture pages, and you can just edit your capture pages. You can go up to gold. There's a silver member where they give you more extra training on how to market yourself on Facebook, all the social media. It's got everything. It's a complete package, guys. You can go all the way up to premium if you want to, but it's up to you, okay, where you want to take your business. Anyway, guys, go ahead, fill your name, put your best email, get to watch this video. Join the team right now. I've got a link below, and you'll be glad that I introduced you to this awesome tool that will help your business grow. All right, guys. This is Laudiaann, your fellow network marketer, here to help you grow your business. Take care.